Are you a hunter?
Hunter.
Do you like to dodge? Of course you do. So why don't you slap that mobility up to 100, making you dodge every 9 seconds. But that's not enough. Put on Fr0st-ee5s and bottom tree arc strider. You'll be dodging every 5 seconds while sprinting. But you know, I still want to go faster. So put on that Mida multi-tool, put on that Callus mini tool, and you'll be across the map by the time you can say, Bungie, please buff Terror, but it's such a useless weapon and it'll give people to play Crown and it could be so fun. And way faster than by the time they give a damn. What is going on, guys? It's Abandoned Rice, and you can already see the theme of this video. We want to go as fast as humanly possible. You bump your mobility up to 100, and that brings your class ability down to 9 seconds. Slap on Fr0st-ee5s, rapid cooldown, increase grenade, melee, and dodge regeneration while sprinting. Dodging increases your sprint speed. Bottom tree arc strider, sprinting recharges your dodge ability, increase maximum sprint speed. Mida multi-tool, this weapon boosts speed. Mida mini tool, Mida Synergy, superb handling, moves faster while this lightweight weapon is equipped. This weapon grants additional speed benefits when Mida Multi-Tool is also equipped. Yeah, we're gonna be pretty f***ing fast. So let's hope we get a good map for this. Oh, dude, we're joining a game in progress. It's okay. My team needed me. See, look at that. Oh my gosh, they're falling so far behind. Jesus, dude, I'm already so fast. Dude, I definitely shouldn't have been using Mida there, but that's okay. Oh. Quit it, sir. If I could aim, you'd be dead. Oh my god. Oh wait, this doesn't fire in full auto. What is with my frames right now, bro? You're dead. Dude, no. We already got our dodge back. Ah! Ah! You just got embarrassed, kiddo. Oh. Dude. What? Whoa. 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 What the hell? Connection based? Whee! Whoa, okay. Run fast, run fast, run fast, run fast, run fast. Go, 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 go. Oh my god, I hit my head. I hit my head. It ruins my speed. I don't know, does he have self super? No. Okay, get deleted. The long con, dude. That was the longest con of all cons. Oh my god! Oh, thread the needle on that guy. But it doesn't matter, because it didn't hit him. Dude, he's got a shotgun. You just... You're a madman. Whoa. Nice try. I can't. Guys, I'm really low IQ. Challenge me, brother. I'm running. Ooh, heavy. Let's get some line rifle kills. Oh, what? What the hell was that guy doing? Oh my god. Got him. That's all that matters. Oh, hello. I got booped. Run. Whoop.
3 minutes left.
Dude, suck my dick, bro. Actually, the handheld supernova is so fucking fair and fucking balanced. You're harder to kill. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't know what is happening this game.
Shut the enemy down.
Oh shit, that was nice of you, brother. Ow.
Only 1 minute left.
No, no, I can't. I can't win that.
You've got 30 seconds.
Dude, easy game life.
With heart, Guardian.
Okay, well, I was fast. So if that was the point of that match, that was easily the weirdest Crucible match I've ever experienced in my entire life.
Glory will be yours.
Why did I have motion blur on? Alright, let's get this bread. Oh my god. Oh, what? How did that only hit one person? Dude, I'm a gamer. Alright, let's go engage.
What can stop
Oh my god.
you fight?
Ah!
Nothing.
Oh my god.
Now you're fighting with heart, Guardian.
Maybe I should use reload dodge. Oh, this guy wants the smoke. Oh! Gotta run in place to get my sprint. Dude, you're dead. When I aim, you're dead. That's how it works. But there's like a solid like 90% of times when I can't aim. Whoa, okay.
This is wonderful.
Oh. See what happens when I say I can't aim? Dude, I literally am a bot. I'm a robot. Oh no. No, no. Oh no. No. I think I'm gonna try reload dodge.
You're in the lead.
Ugh. I was about to say, teammate, you got this.
Double down.
Hard to kill while dodging, I think saved me right there, but I honestly don't know. Oh my god. Okay, I got it. I swear. That was all me. Nope. Yeah, you think... Oh, shit. Okay. Oh my god, there's so many people.
One after another.
Oh my god. Huh? Huh?
3 down. You're in
How did I not die? No! Damn it. Oh, I'm so sorry, teammate. No! I dodged right into him, dude. I dodged right into him. Oh. I got distracted. Oh. Fr0st-ee5s blue vag just popping the fuck off, dude. Just to be very clear, that is someone's name on the enemy team. Nope. 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 Dude, I swear to fucking God.
Shut the enemy down.
Oh my god. What the hell do I do? Dude, I'm a gamer. 2-tap Mida. Confirmed. Ooh, okay, I almost shook a little bit off target there. Okay. Oh. Oh my god. Run, 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 run. Run, run as fast as you can. Oh my god. Dude, I am literally so fast. Oh my god, got it. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, no, no.
3 minutes left.
I could have kept living, but I figured I should challenge at some point. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, we got him. Okay. We're fragging a little bit, boys. No. Oof. What the hell, sir? Sir, are you okay? You just got embarrassed? Okay, I really like this SMG. Damn it. Okay, nice little 4-tap there. Nice little 1-tap. Got him weak. Got him. Oh my god.
1 minute left.
I wish that was all me, but it definitely wasn't. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude, oh, if I would have threw my arc bolt like a point a meter further. A point a meter. I think that was a pretty good showcase. We kind of fragged for a second there. 40 bomb, baby, and 47 from Fr0st-ee5s. Yeah, I would say this was usable. It might be a little bit overkill on the Frosties. It certainly was fun, and it even, like, it made me even faster. I would almost rather have Wraith Metal. That'll reload all my weapons and increase movement speed, like less than Frosties, but still. And I might do a separate video on that. But for now, I think this is pretty fun. And I don't think you're ever going to be able to go faster. Even something like Stompies that just buffs sprint speed and generally, no, not even close. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.